Dr. Marlon Jackson at Auburn Dental Care. I did a little procedure on Miss Finley. How you doing today? She had braces, and you know, a lot of times when you get braces and they remove the braces, they don't do the best job at removing all the cement. So what happens if you drink a lot of coffee or have, smoke, whatever, you get that brown stain in your teeth. So we essentially remove the cement, posture up real good, and then she has some chipped front teeth, and we shaped them up for her. And how do they feel today?
They feel amazing.
Okay, you want to go ahead and get a real good close-up, right? And she was, like I said, she's already a pretty young lady, but now we're turning her smile into a $1 million Hollywood smile. Probably the only thing she needs now is some whitening. But she wants to have that retainer, and I think we'll probably try to help her out there. But this is called essentially removing the cement, but the shaping of the teeth was aesthetic recontouring. All we do is reshape the edges of the teeth so that they are more straighter and smoother. And it makes a well of a difference for your smile. And you can have that done at Auburn Dental Care. Come check us out. Okay, I need you to rub your tongue around them teeth. Tell me how they feel.
Really good.
Really good. Did it hurt real bad? Tell me about your procedure.
No, it was very quick and very smooth. I kind of had like a lot of chips and things. Everything feels really
You still
smooth.
got some.
I still got some?
Well, we'll see. All right. Okay, let's take a look at that.
Oh my goodness.
Let's see. Hold up.
This is crazy. Oh wow, it looks so good.
So you like Jimi Hendrix say now? You the foxy lady now? Foxy lady.
About number 9.
Don't you say a word.
So crazy.
Yeah.
Wow, it looks really good.
Give me a minute.
Oh my goodness, this is crazy.
Okay.